Hello everybody! Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn some jeans that don't fit you very well into some jeans that fit you perfectly. That's today on Refashioning with Rachel. So before we do any sewing, we want to remove these grommets that are close to the side seams. So through the back, get in there with a flathead screwdriver. If you're strong enough, just the screwdriver can snap the grommet apart. Otherwise, grab a pair of wire cutting pliers and get them around the back of the grommet until you hear it pop. And we also need to remove these belt buckles at the side seams. I like to use some tweezers to pull out these leftover threads. And on the other side, remove those two grommets that are close to the side seam. Now put on your jeans inside out, which I know looks ridiculous, and pinch in the waist at the side seams and hold it in place with a pin. Then, work your way down one leg, taking in and pinning the side seam until the fit is just as you want it. I want my jeans to fit nicely all the way up to the knee, and then I want them to slightly flare out from there. So I'm just pinning up to the knee, and then I will make a mark from where I want it to flare out. But if you want the legs to fit you all the way down, then just keep pinning until you come to the bottom of the pant leg. Now sketch in where your pins are inserted. Then remove the pins so you can smooth out the jeans and make them lie flat. And then connect all those marks with a nice smooth line. These are actually my boyfriend's jeans that he didn't want anymore, so I'm altering them for me. Measure and transfer your new side seam to your other leg. And sew. Make sure you go over the stitch several times at the waist to make sure it's very secure. And then sew carefully, getting just past that bulky part right underneath the waist. And you can just sew straight through the pocket. And I'm just gradually tapering my stitch at the end so that it runs smoothly into the original stitch. Do the same thing on the other side. I started my stitch at the waistband to make sure that it was perfectly lined up when I sewed, which meant that I had to squish all of the jeans underneath the arm of my sewing machine. But to make it easier, you can just start at the bottom of your pant leg. Now this step is optional. If you want to remove some of the bulk in the side seam, just trim it away and finish the raw edges with a serger or a zigzag stitch. But I recommend leaving the top part of your jeans intact so that it remains secure. So I'm just removing some of the bulk in the side seam in the middle of the leg and finishing the raw edges with a zigzag stitch. And then if you want to, you can reattach the belt loops. Fold your seam allowance away from where you're going to put your belt loops. And then reattach the belt loops. At the very bulky parts, I had to use the hand wheel. So just be careful and use the hand wheel if you need to, and be patient. It will get sewn eventually. And that's it. This project is finished. So here's a reminder of how these jeans looked before. And here's how they look now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and comment if you did. And have a beautiful day.